welcome to Crafts with the Alhambra Civic Center Library. Today we will be making this really cute cactus bookmark. So as you can see, we have a little smiling cactus bookmark for you to all make. So these are the things that you'll need. First, brown felt, green felt, and these should be no smaller than 5 by 5, tacky glue, pink puffy paint, but you can also choose whatever color you want, white puffy paint, scissors, yellow felt or whatever color you want the flower to be, and a ribbon. We also have provided a template that is in the description that you'll be able to cut so you have all the shapes that you need. So first, we are going to cut out each shape. So now that we have all our shapes, we are going to use these templates to cut the shape out of felt. So just line up the template, and you can either put a paper clip or a staple through it to keep it so it doesn't move, but you could also freehand it like I did right here. So now I have my cactus shape cut out, and you can trim it and perfect it as much as you'd like. And now we're going to do the pot, which is in 2 different pieces. So you'll do the exact same process that you did with the cactus. So now that we have the 2 shapes, we'll grab the cactus shape and we have all the shapes we need. So now we're going to take the 2 shapes that make the pot and glue them together. So grab your tacky glue and start gluing both pieces. So next, we're going to grab our cactus piece and glue that on to the pot. Now it's time to grab your ribbon and glue that to the bottom of the back of the pot. Now grab your felt, and this is going to be your flower, so you can make the flower whatever color you want and cut whatever shape flower you'd like. We do not have a template for this, but feel free to get creative. This is the flower that I cut out. So now we're going to take the flower and glue it onto the ribbon, to the end of the ribbon. Now for the fun part, you are going to take your puffy paint in whatever color you want, and we are going to draw the face onto the pot. You can draw whatever face you'd like, but I decided to draw a little smiley face that is blushing with a little bit of pink. I would recommend practicing your shape, maybe on a piece of paper before you do this. Patience is really key to making sure that the face you want ends up as perfect as can be. And now you have your finished cactus bookmark. So now you can let it dry and then use it in any book that you're currently reading. Thank you for joining the Alhambra Civic Center Library with this cactus bookmark, and we hope to see you soon. Bye!